Black Friday and Cyber Monday are special days for bloggers, webmasters, and content creators. Because they can get a huge discount on the purchase of web hosting, WordPress themes, plugins, and SEO products. If you have decided to make your website right now or looking for some great hosting provider, then Bluehost Black Friday deals and discount is the best chance for you to buy web hosting with a free domain name at the lowest prices. Watch the full video till the end and I will also show you how to get this deal right now. This time Bluehost is giving never-been-before discounts of 66%. A complete web hosting package with free domain name, free SSL, and automatic WordPress installation available at $2.65 only, when you visit the link from the description below this video. So all the aspiring bloggers and professionals do not miss the opportunity. Bluehost is one of the most popular web hosting services on the internet as of 2020. With over 2 million sites are being hosted on Bluehost, it becomes the widely used hosting platform for all kinds of bloggers and marketers. And today, you can save more with their Black Friday sale of up to 70% discount. Here are the Bluehost Black Friday deal details for 2020. For the basic plan it is $2.65 per month, which is 60% off. For Plus plan it is $4.45 per month, which is also 60% off. For Choice Plus plans it is $4.45 per month, which is 70% off. And for the Pro plan it is $9.95 per month, which is 58% off. Not only that, you'll also get the free domain name for first year, up to 70% off WordPress hosting, 50% off VPS hosting and 40% off WP Pro hosting. I recommend you to grab Bluehost at just $2.65 a month for 36 months, to save maximum money as the renewal cost will be higher. To activate this Bluehost deal, all you have to do is to visit this special link of Bluehost from the description below this video on your browser. And after you visit this link you can see the normal page of Bluehost. Now, simply click on Get Started button here and then on the next page, select the plan you want to use. For this video I am selecting the basic plan. Here you can select the domain right now or you can add it later, so I am selecting, I'll create my domain later. Now on this page scroll down and under Account Plan, click on the plan again. When you click on it, you will be presented with the special sign-up offer. Just click on Claim Saving and then you can see your discount here, which is $2.65 a month. And you have to pay only $95.40 for 36 months plan, which is a very big discount. The biggest benefit to grab Bluehost hosting during Black Friday is you'll get their shared hosting plans at just $2.65 per month. Here's what you'll get during this Bluehost special sale. $2.65 per month for the basic plan, $4.45 per month for the Plus and Choice Plus plans, and $9.95 per month for the Pro plan. Also huge discounts on other Bluehost products such as 50% off domains, 50% off on WooCommerce hosting and 30% off on WordPress hosting. A control panel, cPanel, is what makes web hosting great. When it comes to control panel, Bluehost is the best in the industry. You can easily set up your WordPress in under 5 minutes from their control panel. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress.org since 2005, and that makes the Bluehost a default choice for bloggers. I highly recommend you to grab this hosting offer because the features they are providing at this affordable price are tremendous. Make sure to visit the link from the description below this video to get a discount. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.